Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I'm starting a new week of what I cook for dinner at home. Tonight we're doing some taco salad. So I did a bed of romaine and iceberg, which I always lay out on the bottom as the base. I did some cucumber from my mom's garden, some red onion, some tomatoes, black olives, some radishes from my mom's garden, some tortilla chips, and then of course the taco meat with some cilantro and some taco sauce. And my husband has the same thing, except his taco meat has cheese and sour cream. I just don't like sour cream, and I just don't want the cheese on my taco meat. So this is our dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight, we're having a super easy dinner. This is the Petey brand, which is a local brand tortellini. This is the meat tortellini, and I just tossed it lightly in a little bit of pesto sauce and a little drizzle of EVOO. And for a veggie tonight, I did roasted cauliflower with some cherry tomatoes, a little bit of EVOO as well, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Cauliflower is actually one of probably my top 3 favorite veggies to roast. And I actually did sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese on them as well for a little bit of flavor and texture. But yes, really easy dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, tonight for dinner, Grady is having a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, right? Right. Some turkey pepperoni. And a cut up, yes, and a cut up banana. Good job. And of course, I took the crust off. He won't eat it with the crust. And this is the jelly he likes, the strawberry natural and the Peter Pan.
And this is jelly.
Yes.
And this is pan.
That's Peter Pan peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. And this is his dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight, Matt grilled up some boneless, nice thick cut pork chops on the grill with our favorite barbecue sauce, which is the Sweet Baby Ray's. So we're having a pork chop each. I also have an extra one, so if Matt doesn't eat that, I'm going to make like a little Cuban style sandwich for him tomorrow for lunch. And then we have some leftover, the Little Potato Company potatoes from a couple nights ago, so I just reheated them. Some of the Trader Joe's skinny Haricot green beans with a little butter, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And then some of the Near East regular traditional rice pilaf. And this is our dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight, I made the hole in the bread with the egg in the middle of it with some sausages and some homemade little home fried potatoes seasoned with a little salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and then some little melon and cherry fruit cups. And this is dinner tonight. We'll see you tomorrow. So Saturday we actually got to go on a date night to one of our favorite restaurants. They have an amazing salad bar and fresh baked bread. We also had some delicious Aussie style tomatoes, and I had the steak au poivre, which is encrusted in peppercorns. For my main entree, it was absolutely delicious. So Sunday night we ended up going to my mom's for dinner. She usually makes pasta, but tonight she did something different and did a barbecue with potato salad and pasta salad and grilled zucchini from her garden. She also made baked beans with meat and some delicious country spare ribs. They were so good, and it was just a really great dinner and fun to be with my family. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's What's for Dinner. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.